Hi there, and welcome to another Zero Harm video tutorial. When you create an incident report, as a manager you have the ability to assign labels, to improve workflows, to categorize the incident itself, or simply to include extra detail to better filter your incident reports. First of all, click on the Incidents tab from the Site Administration menu. Then click on Labels. Here we already have a label for property damage, and I'm going to add one for near misses. You can also add a description to help the other managers determine what the label is best used for. Then click on the color you wish to make it. We're going to make it red. And then create label. You can now add this label to any new or past incident, and each incident report can have multiple labels attached so as to provide greater customization and filtering options. From the main incident page, we can now click on an incident and add our new label via Edit, dropping the menu down, clicking on near miss and saving. And if we go back to the main incident page, you can see here the new near miss. We can also filter the labels from here. We could select just property damage, or we can add multiple labels to generate a better search. In the description below this video, we have included examples and links for different types of labels you may wish to use as a manager to make the review and navigation of your incident reports easier. Thanks for watching.